For the next project, customer complains of electrical issues. We've both together dug through, found breaks in the wiring loom, multiple areas. Some have scathed and got away with it, and some of the wires are still okay, a bit of scuffing, but a lot of insulation broken. And then you come over to here, and a lot unfortunately have made it all the way through. All are going to need repairing. Quite a bit of corrosion on some of the connectors. We'll clean all that up. You see what's happened here. A lot of wear and tear. I mean, I don't know how they've built the insulation, the wiring on this actual bike, but it's not the best of abilities. But I'll provide an update and we'll get this work done. Just remember folks, always check your electrics.